Okay. She's out in 3, 2, 1. She's
in handcuffs with your backpack on. So
this is bullshit. Okay. Without a female, you are breaking the law.
Stop resisting.
I wasn't.
On September 6th, 2024, officers responded to a shoplifting call at a local Target store. A woman later identified as Stephanie Richards, age 40, was observed exiting with 3 full bags of unpaid merchandise. Store security tracked Richards on camera as she abandoned a cart and walked out through the south exit with stolen goods. Officers were positioned and ready outside, intercepting her within seconds of her departure.
She dumped the cart.
Okay.
So she's carrying 3 full bags of merchandise.
Okay.
She's coming out of it, she's gonna go exit it. Actually, she's going south side of doors.
Okay.
She's out in 3, 2, 1. She should be out. She's in the vestibule.
Hey, police, how's it going? Put the bags down.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, brother. Put your bags down.
This is everything I came in with.
Put your bags down.
I did not do anything. I didn't do anything.
Drop your bags, please.
I didn't do.
Let's stay cordial, okay? Just put your bags.
Why are you?
Could you take your backpack off as well? You have to.
That is bullshit.
Take your backpack off.
That is bullshit.
Take your backpack off. You're going to go in handcuffs with your backpack on. So.
This is bullshit.
Okay.
It's harassment.
What do you want to do?
Stop! I didn't even do anything.
I'm gonna
go away. So you have to
is this you guys?
No, so the bag she's sitting on is ours, but there is
No, I came in with all this.
I'm gonna cut this backpack off you if you don't.
You aren't gonna touch. Stop! I'm not even doing anything. I am not doing anything. I am not doing anything.
I'm gonna put you in handcuffs with the backpack.
Stop! That's harassment! You're not even supposed to put your hands on me without a female! You are breaking the law!
Take off her hands. All right.
This is mine! Yeah!
Stop! Just stop. If you want,
I wasn't doing anything!
Stop resisting!
I wasn't! I was sitting on my stuff! That's all I was doing!
Look at 2 code 4. You have 1 person. We're gonna stand
Get away from me!
He's gonna help you, okay?
I'm gonna help you stand up.
I won't touch you. He's gonna help you.
Please!
He won't. Don't worry about
Let me breathe!
Let me
I
help you out.
can't do anything!
I'm gonna help you out. I thought you were fighting.
No. She's a female, so I can't get too physical with her. Also, it's optics and all that, so. Where's Cody? All right, I'll start taking stuff out, and then you start letting me know what's going on. This is London. London, can we put her in here for now?
Yeah, like he's in.
Stephanie, why are you going through every
Narrows mine.
Okay.
That is bullshit!
Is this you guys as well?
I don't think so. She had this water bottle when she came.
There's a pink one as well.
Oh, whichever one she had when she came in, I can tell you if it's mine. That's the one she had when she came in. I don't think so. That one. This all yours?
Yeah.
This is.
These are the husky stuff. I think is probably like Home Depot or something.
Yeah, this is probably all Home Depot.
If it's not yours, I was gonna put all your merchandise here.
Okay.
For photo.
This is like all. This is mine. This is a tag this year.
Okay. Anything that's not yours, I'll take off.
Are all these husky stuff?
No, we only sell like the Gerber like
I feel very violated right now.
Yeah, this bag's gonna be from wherever this stuff's from. Cheese and
could be Home Depot.
yeah. Don't we go drive over to Home Depot on this?
Yeah, once we sort through all the stuff, it's either Home Depot or Lowe's. Otherwise, you could just throw it in my car and I could do it tomorrow. This is you?
Yeah.
None of this is yours, right?
None of the Husky branded stuff. These are is this yours? I can check and see. It's got a tag on it.
The backpack isn't.
No. Even the purple and the Husky bag. I searched the black bag. All these tools, these hatchets, all this stuff was in there, and he said it's not theirs. Okay. And the bag's brand new too.
The best guess for the bag would be Home Depot.
Can you find any time to exercise his legs?
All of you have done something. Shut the fuck
Yeah, let's do it. All of this is yours?
Yep, everything right here is mine. Batteries and batteries.
We'll just take the photo on the ground then. Just to show.
Upon contact, officers ordered Richards to set down her bags. She repeatedly refused and claimed all items were her own. This non-compliance escalated the encounter from a routine stop to a physical arrest. Under the Fourth Amendment, officers conducting a lawful investigatory stop may detain a suspect briefly to determine whether criminal activity occurred. Richards' exit with unpaid merchandise provided clear probable cause for that stop. Terry v. Ohio established that officers may briefly detain individuals when they have reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. Store security footage and witness accounts gave officers more than sufficient grounds to approach Richards. When Richards refused to remove her backpack, officers warned her she would be handcuffed while wearing it. Per Pennsylvania v. Mimms, officers directing a suspect during a lawful detention have authority to issue reasonable compliance commands. Richards continued to resist verbal commands, prompting physical intervention. Under Graham v. Connor, the reasonableness of force is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment, not in hindsight, based on the totality of circumstances. The use of force continuum requires officers to match their response to the level of resistance presented. Richards' sustained non-compliance and physical resistance justified hands-on control techniques to effect the arrest safely. During the search, officers discovered tools, hatchets, and merchandise consistent with items stolen from a Home Depot, in addition to the target goods. This expanded the scope of charges Richards would ultimately face. Richards claimed throughout the encounter that the officer had no right to touch her without a female officer present. This belief is a common misconception. No such legal requirement exists during a lawful arrest in this jurisdiction. De-escalation training requires officers to use verbal persuasion and tactical patience before resorting to physical control. In this encounter, officers issued multiple clear commands over an extended period before applying force. Richards was ultimately charged with felony theft and resisting arrest. The evidence recovered, including store merchandise across multiple bags, provided a strong evidentiary basis for both charges to proceed to prosecution. From a legal standpoint, resisting a lawful arrest compounds a suspect's criminal exposure significantly. Even if Richards believed the stop was unjust, the appropriate remedy is through the courts, not physical resistance at the scene.
Are you telling me I'm crazy? crazy?
No, I'm asking why you're
That's
behaving.
all in my head.
Okay.
We'll call this back and ask you.
Yeah, I'll pull my car up and grab it. Do you have big bags? Huge bags? Oh, we could just use that. Look at that. Damn.
It's a lot of knives, man. Can't see her.
I think she's familiar.
Yeah, I know. That's the point. Are you gonna take the pepper spray?
Yeah, she's getting. Well, I'll ask Sarge if he wants to book because it's an $850 total.
That is bullshit.
Do you have clothes on under
You're
this?
taking stuff that doesn't even belong here.
They're going through all of the property to determine what you took. Yes, they are.
They're taking shit. I just
Stop.
watched it.
They're sorting through everything
I
because there's
just
stolen merchandise in the car.
watched it.
There's stolen merchandise in the bags. You exited with merchandise you didn't pay for.
Not those bags. No,
They're going
I
to go
did
through all of it.
not.
They're going to go through all of it.
That's bullshit.
What's your last name?
Knife.
God damn it.
What's your last name?
Stephanie, do you have ID in one of those bags?
No.
Okay, what's your last name?
Richard. Oh, God damn you.
Richard or
Richards?
Stop. God damn you, Bombsing.
You're under arrest for all the merchandise that you took without paying for it.
No.
Yes.
Bombsing.
All that stuff in the gray bag? Or else target.
Bombsing.
Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car. Turn and face the front. Stephanie, face the front. Face the front. You're 40 years old.
And you already know this is harassment.
It's not harassment.
Yes, it is.
How is it harassment if you took property that didn't
Stop.
belong to you?
Just stop.
That's what I'm asking you to do.
It is wrong. What do you expect me to do?
Steal?
Stop. You know.
I have no idea why you're behaving like this.
Stop. Just stop. This isn't right. It isn't
The amount of merchandise that
right.
So this isn't harassment. You brought this upon yourself.
Yes, it is.
No, when you steal, you bring the attention upon yourself.
Yes, it is.
How is it harassment? How is it harassment, Stephanie?
Because you know how. Oh.
You keep saying that, but obviously I don't know how it's harassment.
You're trying to make me a rat.
I didn't ask you to say who you're stealing it for.
No, you are.
No, I basically said you were
Okay.
caught stealing.
Okay.
And I'm just asking.
Are you telling me I'm crazy?
No, I'm asking why you're
That's
behaving
all
like this.
in my head.
No, never said that. I'm just trying to figure out why you're behaving the way you are. Is there a reason why you're crying the way you are?
Yeah, because it hurt.
What hurt?
You guys are supposed.
What hurt,
Just
Stephanie?
Stop.
What hurt?
Just stop.
I can stop asking you questions if you don't want to talk to me, but I'm just trying to find out what happened. I'm trying to find out why you're acting the way you are.
For one thing, the dipshit didn't need to tackle me.
Okay.
He had no right to put his hands on me.
You had committed a theft.
I wasn't fighting him. I wasn't doing anything.
Okay. And were you behaving the way you are now? Were you behaving the way you are now?
No, not until he started to pull my hands and
So he put his hands on you to stop you.
No, I was sitting on the bag. I was sitting there.
Okay, what did he tell you to do? What did the officer tell you to do?
He said to take the backpack off. I was trying to calm down because there was no reason to make me take it off.
Well, you just said you weren't behaving like this, and you're saying you needed to calm
That's
down.
bullshit. That is bullshit.
Stephanie, are you hurt anywhere? No? Okay.
This case illustrates a critical lesson. Disputing an officer's authority verbally is a protected right, but physically obstructing a lawful arrest is a separate criminal offense that carries its own serious consequences. For law enforcement, this encounter highlights the importance of consistent communication throughout a detention. Clear, repeated commands, documented on bodycam, strengthen the legal foundation of any subsequent use of force. Officers should also apply de-escalation principles even when a suspect is non-compliant. Giving additional time and calm instruction, as seen here, demonstrates procedural justness and reduces civil liability exposure for the department. For the public, this case is a reminder that the moment you exit a store with unpaid merchandise, probable cause for arrest exists. No amount of denial at the scene reverses what loss prevention and security cameras have already documented. Knowing your rights matters, but exercising them effectively requires composure. Invoking your right to remain silent and requesting an attorney are far more protective measures than verbal confrontation or physical resistance with officers. The Richards case is a textbook example of how a misdemeanor escalates into felony charges. A single act of theft, combined with sustained resistance, produced criminal consequences far exceeding the value of the stolen goods. Richards was charged with felony theft and resisting arrest. This case is a clear reminder: lawful authority must be respected in the moment, and every action captured on bodycam carries lasting accountability for all parties.